Yusuf, you were violently attacked by the police on the 12th of July in Tower Hamlets just for holding a Palestinian flag, just for protesting. You were out fundraising, you're a well-known activist, anyone in East London's going to know you, making money, fundraising for medical aid for Palestine, and 6 police officers violently pinned you to the ground and arrested you. Now, the police have flipped this entirely and have actually charged you with assault. So we need to get your story out because the police are liars.
Yeah, so it was on the 12th of July, which was a Friday at 4:30 p.m. In broad daylight. I was violently, viciously attacked by the Metropolitan Police whilst I was fundraising for Palestine and giving out leaflets to stop the genocide, raising awareness predominantly peacefully. And I was approached by an officer that tapped me behind, and I turned around and I could see it was a policeman, and straight away he grabbed my Palestine flag pole, and my first reaction was kind of shock, Fiona, disbelief, bearing in mind that I am the sole owner of that flag which I had paid for. If the officer had asked me for it, I would have given it to him, but he was being very bullish, so I held on to the flag. And then suddenly I was shocked when the officer started throwing barrage of punches to my face, to my head, and I was at that point I kind of froze, Fiona, my natural instinct, scared, I froze. And then I was surrounded by a group of officers, approximately 4 to 5, including a female, and one of them, the guy that was a bit larger in stature, a white male officer, a lot bigger than me, he headlocked me very tight on my neck, and he pulled me down to the ground. And as I was pulled down to the ground, I was facing the ground, and I could feel barrage of punches on my back, my spine, back of my head, and my shoulder. It was a horrible experience, Fiona, unfortunately. Terrible.
By any measure, when you look at the video of what has taken place, it is absolutely indefensible. The amount of police officers around you, the scale of the violence, and in the context of you fundraising. This wasn't even a protest. It was actually just you standing in the street fundraising for medical aid for Palestine. There's something not quite right, and we're normally supposed to just trust the police instinctively or trust the media, but actually I think what's happened to you in this video is a microcosm for how the whole Palestine issue has played out over the last year, which is people don't trust the media, and now as a result of this they won't trust the police either.